Hey Google, if you want something like this enabled on a device, then all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. Enabling Hey Google on an Android device is quick and easy. So first thing first, go to Google. So open Google on a device and then go to your profile. So on top right hand side, you will find this profile icon. So tap on it and here you will see this option settings. So go on it. Now here you will find this option called Gemini. So tap on it. Now what you need to do is here you will see this option talk to Gemini hands free. So go to it and then make sure you have this feature enabled. Hey Google. So if you have this one turned off, then you can't use this feature. So make sure you have it turned on. So if you turn on, then you will have to train your voice model. So simply go to this option, then go to more, I agree, then you will have to repeat this. So they will give you 5 commands, so you will have to simply say whatever is written on a screen. So say, okay Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay Google, help me write a thank you note. So it will give you a couple of commands, so simply complete all of those. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, what is the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, explain me how a rainbow is formed. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. So as soon as you complete all this, your device will be ready. So now if I go back again and say hey Google, it will simply respond. So this is how you can enable Hey Google on a device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.